Done.
So we're done the software part. We're going technical part. So I'm gonna tell you this, guys, very important. So you learn every single details about your job, what you're gonna do when you hire 1 month later. But what about the technical part, right? Automation, framework, and testing. So you are ready to UI as a UI tester. All these things you see here, UI tester. 6 month course, what you learned so far, 5 months, let's say, 1 month left. Everything you learned so far, everything is here. Okay? Feature files, right? POM, runners, step definition, utils, XML files. Nothing I made it extra. That's what we learned so far. That means you are a UI tester. What we're learning right now, API testing. There's gonna be backend testing. Also, you can be that too, which is a great skill. But as a job, you can find here. I'm just a UI tester, if you wanna say, or you can say I'm both. Okay, that will be the accordingly paid. But what we're doing is a UI testing every single details I added here, what we learned so far. In the real job, guys, what we're gonna do, we're gonna push this code from our local repository. Local means like your local place, your computer, your own desktop, computer, you work, you code, you did something. But how you create your test cases, right? Test scenarios. But we have no idea what you did. So for that reason, whatever you created, whatever you tested, right? Oktay did say it today. Guys, I made two framework. One of them is like an elementary level. Other one is advanced level. Elementary level works. It's fine. Since like an automation test, who cares, right? You can just use that. But the thing is, how are we gonna see your code? And plus, if you remember today, you learned one of thing. There is some roles in testing test plan, which is like there's gonna be functional team, there's gonna be UAT team, there's gonna be testing team. There's gonna be different type of team you might be in. And let's say functional team or testing team. Remember what testing team does? You read that it was saying it will advance the test cases. It will check the advance. They will check the test cases, and the scripts which is you write, they can advance. You can write elementary. If it works. They will tell you you should do it this way. You should use data table. You should use the scenario outline. Things like that they will tell you to do. Okay, then you'll be happy to advance or improve your codes. But that's the testing team. Whoever is most experienced, and don't be afraid. As long as you code, you create automation, it's fine. Okay, and I learned with you today this, by the way. I have no idea actually. I thought always I should do the best test framework and these, and no, it's okay. You will have a team that you can ask. I'm not sure how to create the perfect report. Can you help me? Who? Testing team. You're gonna communicate. Who? Emily. He's the most experienced guy in testing team. You already know from the testing plan. Sorry, test plan. So for that reason, right now, whoever automate their framework, I'm not gonna touch. That's your framework. What we're gonna do, I changed the plan today actually. That's the best way we can do now. I'm gonna show you how to push the code, how to use my repository, clone my master branch, and then everybody on the same place, then we can see each other. First, we're gonna learn this. Second, everybody is everybody's. Like everybody has their own name. Everybody has their own style, testing style, coding style. You can do whatever you want. Nobody forced you to do this. But if you want to learn, improve, you can learn from testing team. You know that. For that reason, this is my framework, Octay's Octay framework. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna push our codes on GitHub. If you think you can do on your own, your framework, I'm not gonna touch you. You'll do it. And you want to change and advance, you can use my But I'll show you right before we finish what I did. I will explain to you quickly, then you can understand. Right? You can check on your own. But let's learn this in real environment. How do we push the code once we finish on the local repository? Some of you might be know. If you don't know, you'll remember. When you have automation framework from scratch, you done, right? This is my, by the way, framework. I just work in the Java part only, okay? And I use this, right? And I don't use like how Holly to main and resource in this. I use this. Everyone's different. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go here first. Once I finish my framework, I believe my local repository, I'm ready to execute it. But I am ready to execute means like I test everything, it's pass or not, it's good, but I wanna share, I want everybody knows before sprint end. Go here, first step, and then share project on GitHub. All right, and then so this is the project name, mine, right? But let's make this, since I'm a QA lead, let's make this a master. But how you do, you're not gonna touch this. This is gonna be your project name. Since I'm master, since I'm like QA lead, let's do this. Saturday project campus app group 3. This is gonna be master branch, right? That's what I'm creating. But in your repository, in your local place, you wanna share this code. That's how you share too. Create your repository. You can change either name or what, but I wanted to change for the master name. All right, that's how we do share GitHub. Share on GitHub. Now it's creating repository to globally share for everyone. They can access my code. We haven't finished as a team. Add. Okay, successfully created repository. So that means I have a master branch, like as in I'm lead. Interesting. Let's see. I need to commit and push, I guess. Has to do in the beginning. Let's see. Commit. 1 second. Okay. Yeah. Okay, just created repository first. That's why. So let me pick what it needs to go to you. Let's see. Okay. Urgent files. Let's see. Push. By the way, this GitHub, I'll tell you this. This GitHub very, very complicated. It's not easy to understand. I remember with Octai, we had a huge problem for Jira when we do this. Okay, yeah, that's what I need to see. We don't, this actually, okay, it's not picking up. See what time. So normally some places use a different, bit GitHub or Bitbucket or something like the name. It's like a different version control. By the way, this is called version control. And then that helps. Let me see what happened here. That helps the code push, and then that helps also to see each other codes. One second, guys. Interesting. Anybody knows how should I do this?
So, what are you trying to do exactly, brother?
I'm trying to commit and push my old framework.
Mm-hmm. But
Normally, it's supposed to do that not without giving any problem. I have no idea why it does that. Look, it doesn't show.
that's weird.
Import code. No. Interesting. Okay. Let me see. One more
Did you?
time.
I was gonna say, did you try commit in order to push?
I'll do one more time. Share anyway. I'll keep the name just fine. Let's see what's gonna happen. I create another repository, but it has to create all those things. I don't know why.
But doesn't it give you like an option to what to choose or not?
I know, right? That's what it is, but it's not showing. Let's see this one. Okay, here you go.
No, okay.
Okay, it shows. It shows, but it didn't show here. That's fine. I'll do better next time. So the thing is, you just need to understand how things goes. This is not the big deal, okay? Just understand how in the real world you gotta do, okay? So first of all, there's a master guy, QA lead, create a branch like this. Once he create branch, so his code is available to everyone, correct? Right here. You see, my codes and everything are here. So the thing is, what about how you can enter his branch? That's the question. How you can push the code in the same place in GitHub. So what we're gonna do this. On your local branch, don't do anything until I say. I hope you guys didn't do anything, because I'm gonna give my code, my branch code, okay? You're gonna clone this code and you're gonna enter my place. You're gonna come to my house, sounds like that, okay? That's how we do push codes and get version control. So how do you push your codes when you finish your automation framework? Joseph, Hassan, Emily. Oh, we use version control, GitHub, for my project, my application. Okay, how do you do that? Oh, I clone the master branch, HTTP, and I put my local repository and I write my code over there. That's what you're gonna say. And we are doing right now this. One more time. I created already my framework and I open this to everyone can access my framework as a QA lead. Now my repository is created in GitHub. How are you gonna get in? I'm gonna give you this. You're gonna copy and paste. Okay. Yeah, management lifecycle, I can see. Now, just this and do the steps what I do. Okay, what you're gonna do this. You're just gonna go file, close project, and be here 1 sec. Okay, are you here? You guys see the same thing exactly what I see?
Yes. 1 second.
Everyone? Should I continue if you guys see what I see? Okay. So here's the thing. After that, after you seeing this, you're just gonna go get from VCS and paste the URL I gave you. You're just cloning my application, my GitHub. And then you click that and then clone, and it's gonna open to your local repository, IntelliJ, my codes.
1 second.
Now, Oktay, can you share your screen and show what it looks like? I can't do it because I'm the master branch.
Sure, 1 second. Can everyone see my screen? So this is what it looks like after I clicked on clone.
Okay, and click the folder over there inside. Open that folder. Yes, src. Yes, and then that. Perfect. That's what it is. And go to POM. You see exactly copy, clone what I have. Don't do anything now, Oktay.
Yeah, I'm just looking. Yep.
Until I say yeah, because it's very delicate right now. Don't do anything.
Yeah, and it has
just
your name.
Go to POM. Sorry.
No, I was saying it has your name as well here.
Exactly. Yeah, go to POM, bro. Go to POM XML. POM XML. Not the POM, yeah. POM XML.
POM XML.
Aşağıda. Aşağı in abi.
Up right here.
Click that. Okay. Update this just in case if you need to, but it looks fine. If you're seeing like this, so that means you are in my repository through what? Through GitHub. You can do any changes here you want. You can mess up my code. Is it gonna affect my GitHub and my real code?
No.
No, you cannot do anything. It's not gonna allow you. But don't do it, okay? This is a master branch code. This is a framework, meaning this is very vital, guys. Listen, this is really important. Meaning, once you hired, you are gonna get the framework exactly like this, cloning. Whenever the version control you works, you're basically getting inside the framework that already exists. You don't have to create some time framework. They will tell you, oh, we already have a framework, Mr. Ali, so we want to hire you as an automation tester. We need an automation tester sprint 140 or 400. And you're gonna see the crazy like features files, crazy peons, runners, and like a lot of things on the left side. A lot classes, because you already came into the prepare framework and they already working. What they do, they improve, develop the web application. You just hire as an automation tester. You just help the team like the run things and that and this and this. Think about it, but how you get inside a framework. So now you need to work on this framework that to improve your code in your local repository. How are you gonna do that? That's the big question, right? How? Here's the tricks. Here's the important part. Now, Oktay says master branch on there, right? Actually, that master branch, not my master branch, right? It's like Oktay local branch. But what he says, Oktay, can you stop sharing? My screen is frozen.
Oh, okay.
I'm just frozen. I can't see anything dark on my screen. Did you stop sharing?
Yep, I did stop sharing.
I guess my computer. 1 second. Alright, guys. Yeah, you can share it.